What's up, you guys? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today I wanted to cook a recipe for you guys that I've been making for my family pretty much weekly for the last couple of months, and it's not on the website, so I figured it's time to share. I also want to introduce you guys to my brand new Fiesta Rub. It is absolutely delicious and actually inspired this recipe. So let's do it. Now, I'm a mom, I have 3 kids, and sometimes that means I have to get dinner on the table pretty quickly, and it has to be super easy, and this is my go-to. Anytime my kids are having, friends like steak tacos, they know it's gonna be awesome. I love to make steak tacos with flap meat. It is my new beefy obsession, and it's becoming more and more available. It's generally quite affordable.
I thought I was your beefy obsession.
Todd is also my beefy obsession. In terms of never mind. This is the stuff that I want when I'm making tacos for my family. It's really well marbled. Come take a look at this guy. It's usually about 1.5 inches thick, but most stores trim it down to about 1/4 inch thick. And it just makes it so beautiful for quick, hot and fast grilling. This is going to cook in maybe 5 minutes, which is lovely. And there's a ton of fat in here, so it's really flavorful. And when it's chopped up and put inside of tacos, my mouth is watering like a fountain. It's so delicious. So all we're gonna do is drizzle this beautiful beef with some avocado oil. Avocado is a great high temperature cooking oil. It'll give me a nice crusty sear when it combines with the rub on the outside of the steak. You probably need about 1 to 2 tablespoons total. This is approximately 2 pounds of flap steak. Now, if you find yourself home during the day, or you have a little bit of time before you go to work, this is something that you can do in the morning and then pop into a Ziploc bag and let it marinate all day. But it also works beautifully if you just want to season it right before you throw it on the grill, which is how I'm gonna play it today. And then we season on all sides with the Fiesta Rub. Now, if you want to make a homemade kind of Southwestern flair seasoning, I have one on my website. It's called the SOB Rub. So search Hey Grill Hey SOB Rub, and there will be a recipe that's similar enough to this that you can get a really delicious flavor at home. With the bottled version, we kind of were able to do some really fun things with chili powder. So this has ancho chili powder in it. It has chipotle chili powder in it. It has lime and Mexican oregano and salt and pepper. And it is delicious for hot and fast grilling, but we also love it in chili. We love it on ground beef tacos. What else have we put this on, Todd? I feel like we've put it on everything. Shrimp, chicken. It's delicious.
Eggs.
Oh, you did put it on eggs, didn't you? We've literally been putting it on everything lately.
Breakfast burrito.
Yes. Just season liberally on both sides. Now, if you are going to be marinating this for a few hours ahead of time, when you put this seasoned meat into the bag, I would actually squeeze these limes into the bag with the meat. So 2 limes for 2 pounds of flap steak. And kind of let that acidity work on the meat. It's gonna add a lot of flavor, and it's gonna make, some tenderness happen inside the meat. I'm not gonna marinate today, so I'm keeping my limes on the side, and I'm actually gonna squeeze them over the top as it's grilling, so that acidity is really fresh and bright and popping.
I can smell the cumin.
It smells so good. It's a really fragrant rub. I love it. Okay, we have our charcoal grill. We've got some charcoal heating up. We're gonna dump this out. We just want hot, even heat across the bottom. I want my grill to be rocking at least 450 up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Like I said, this is gonna go quick. So I'm gonna have my thermometer handy, and I'm gonna have a clean cutting board handy so that I can pull my steak onto the cutting board and let it rest while we get everything else ready for tacos.
Grill's hot?
Grill's hot. I got all the taco stuff ready inside. So now it's just time to pop these bad boys on the grill. They look and smell so good. The texture of this seasoning is awesome. And like I said, this is gonna take like just a couple of minutes per side. So be ready to take them right off when you're done. So it smells so good. All right, my beautiful steak has rested. I'm gonna chop it into pieces. Now, if I were to be cutting this into strips, I would tell you make sure you cut against the grain. But to be honest with you, I hate steak tacos that have strips in them. Because no matter what, when you bite into it, it never comes all the way apart and you end up pulling a whole piece of steak out and then it flops on your chin. So I chop my flap steak when I put it into my tacos. So I just do one strip, one direction, then turn it 90 degrees and cut it the others. Perfect little bites for steak tacos. I don't know how far I'm gonna be able to get through these before my kids mutiny. They heard I was making steak tacos and they were like, yeah, can we come eat those? So they'll probably make an appearance here in a minute. Oh my gosh. I swear, flap has such a distinct beefy flavor. It's different than skirt. It's different than flank. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm gonna warm up my tortillas on my hot grill, then we're gonna make some tacos. Or I'm just gonna stand here and eat all the meat straight off the cutting board. Either way. All right. We've got waiters in the wings who are eager for some tacos. Do you guys want to come get some tacos?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Here. What do you want in yours, guys?
Steak.
Steak, steak, steak. Okay, what do you want on top? Yeah, do you want lime?
I want lime.
Do you want cilantro?
Yeah.
Do you want cheese?
No.
All right, just lime and cilantro. Keeping it simple for this guy. Okay.
And we did get steak.
Yep,
in
and the
there.
steak's in there.
Not a ton.
You like everything on yours, yes?
Yes.
All right, so for toppings, we really do keep it super simple. Lime, cilantro, I like to dice up some onions, and then I have some queso fresco crumbly cheese that is salty and so delicious. Okay, what do you guys think? This is the taste test time. Dad's usually taste tester, but you guys jumped in today. Is it good? Check this out. Oh, this side, steak, steaky. All right, well, I guess we're gonna enjoy our tacos. I hope you guys give this super quick, easy, family-friendly, incredibly delicious recipe a try at home. Make sure you grab a bottle of our new Fiesta Rub seasoning. You guys are amazing. All I wanna do is help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people that you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. If you do make this, snap a photo, post it online, use the hashtag HeyGrillHey. That way I can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero.